I use this extension to make this beautiful hairstyle. Now watch how I made it. If you're a mom or if you just want something quick for your girls, this video is for you. For this hairstyle, I will not be using hot water for the ends because I want this box braid I'm making for my daughter to have curly ends. And since I don't want to use hot water, I'll be using this curly extension. First of all, I divided it into three. Now, because of the length I wanted, I first cut it into half. Then I separated it into three so I can get the curls perfectly. If you want to get these curls, you must separate it into three. Each of the strand will give you three curly braid. Do you understand? Yeah, each of the strand will give you three curly braids. Now it's up to you to see if you want it to be long or short. I wanted it to be cut into that half. That was why I cut it like that. Now I already parted the hair and I just applied little shine and jam and I went ahead to start braiding. Now if you want to see how to box braid, how to braid, I have it on my channel. You can check down.
When making braids for my little ones, I prefer using curly braids like this because there won't be any need to dip in hot water to get the curls. Now you know that curly braids, especially on little ones, on girls like this, it comes out looking so beautiful. So I just prefer using braids that are already curly and I'll get what I want. This is one simple hairstyle I highly recommend. It came out looking so beautiful and I love the length. I hope you also love it. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in another video.